Tuesday's court appearance had from last year been set as a provisional trial date for the criminal matter. This pending the outcome of the civil case where Zuma had applied for a permanent stay of prosecution. Last year, the Pietermaritzburg High Court rejected Zuma's application for the charges to be quashed. He had cited delays, pre-trial irregularities and the fact that he strongly believed he was a target of his political opponents. It was based on these factors that Zuma argued that his constitutional rights had been violated and that he would not get a fair trial. While his co-accused, Thales, wanted the initial decision for the reinstatement of charges to be reviewed. The case is expected to be postponed. Zuma, having lost his bid to appeal the permanent stay of prosecution judgment, is petitioning the Supreme Court of Appeal to challenge the matter.
So you remember that while this is the same matter, there are technically two matters running concurrently. The civil application, which is dependent on the criminal trial, as well as the criminal trial. The criminal trial cannot begin until and when the civil part of the case is completed. So if the defense continues with the Supreme Court of Appeal application, it will need to be set down to be heard. Whether they succeed or fail, they would still have a remedy to go to the Constitutional Court.
Advocate Mbonani says Zuma will not be in contempt of court if he does not appear.
If he is saying that he is unwell, and if he's saying that he cannot come to court because of health issues, he's going to have to put up proof to show he cannot attend from a medical practitioner who is authorized and who is going to explain to the court. The court may also request that they set out in an affidavit the conditions of his sickness and how long it would take for him to recover.
As the matter is expected to be brief, his supporters will not be outside court as usual. I am Mhlongo, SABC News, Durban.